So one of the questions we get here a lot at LEA Professional is, can I password protect the amplifier? And the answer to that is yes. So I'll show you here how to password protect the amplifier, and that also gives you the ability to log in with the password and also log in as a guest. So to add a password to the amp here, you just pull up your amplifier. If you click on the amp info button here, we'll go into amp settings. And then you see the second option here is to password protect this amplifier. So we can click on this, we'll enter in a password, and confirm that in the second line, and then we'll just click OK. So now that amplifier has been password protected, and the web UI has logged us out of the amp. So what I could do here is type in that password and regain full access to that amp, or you can see below that here is a button to continue as a guest. So if I click on this, you can see here I've still got the amplifier in the list. If I click on it, everything shows up, but as a guest, you only have read privileges on the amplifier. So you can see all of the controls are kind of X'd out here, so you can't actually control anything, but you can view all of the parameters. If you want to then log in fully, so you get full access to the amp, we can click on the settings button in the top right corner here, go back to login, and now we can type in that password. Click sign in, and now we're back to having full access to that amplifier. So if we click on it, we can now change the levels or any other of the parameters on board the amplifier. So with the full password and guest mode, it gives you a little bit of flexibility, whether you fully lock down the amp or give people some read privileges, or you can just leave it fully unlocked for everyone. So lots of flexibility there with the password. Go set some passwords and try it out.